Piko, lately I've become really curious about space. Look, I designed my own spaceship. I want to travel to space one day.
Wow, Laro! That's an amazing idea! Going to space? I love it! I'm so excited! We can do this together!
All right, Piko, dreaming is over. We've rolled up our sleeves. It's time to start building our spaceship.
Yes, Lo! I'm ready! If we work together, we can really make this spaceship fly.
Piko, we're at the final touches. Everything is going just as we planned. Just a little more fuel, and our spaceship will be ready. We really did it, Laro. All our hard work paid off. Everything is almost complete. We're so close to flying. Guys, it's time. The moment we've been waiting for is finally here.
I'm ready! We're about to begin our journey into space ever!
Let's go!
This is going to be the most amazing adventure ever!
Wow, it's starting! Look at the smoke! It's going so high! Safe journey!
Where should our first stop be? I think we should go to the moon.
Yes! Let's go to the moon and plant our own flag there!
Did we do it? Yes! We planted our flag!
Now the moon is ours! We colonized it!
Now the moon is ours! We colonized it! We've gone so far from Earth.
Yes, and I think we're going even farther.